Is this real? Alright, so I'm back on the road here. I'm headed to the shop. I'm limping the Rx7 kind of there. I think one of the wastegates are fucked, but I'm going to bring it to the shop. I'm going to take the exhaust off. I'm going to take the wastegates off. That's just the aluminum back there. That's nothing. It's kind of annoying. Oh, should I get some beers? I think I should get some beers. The car actually looks so good in here. So now that I can get under the car, I'm gonna take off that V-band. Okay, so I got that copper hose disconnected, and then I got this air hose disconnected. Let's go to the top, and then I can get the other ones disconnected, and this can come off. Is this real? It's going out the bottom. It wanted to go at the bottom, so. Okay, so I got the wastegate out. Well, that might be the problem there. It's a little shaky. Alright, so I'm wrapping it up for tonight. I got one wastegate off. So I gotta get the other one off tomorrow. I'm gonna check it. There was some play in it, but I'll be back tomorrow. Alright, so I got some copper. I got a copper bender. And I got a tube cutter. We're going to do this properly this time. I also just checked the other wastegate, and there's no movement. But in this wastegate, there is a little bit of movement, if you can. So I think that's the sound. So I might have to get a new wastegate. I can't find any more 3AN fittings. So I don't know what I did with them, but I have 3 on the table. I'm going to make this line that's going down to the... No, what am I doing? I'm going to make this a hose because back here nothing's melting. So I'm going to reuse these 2 fittings for the fittings for this wastegate here. Okay, this one's done. Now I can continue to the 2 top of the wastegates. So first thing, I want this to be sent to 180. There's that beautiful 180. Let's say a 120 degree coming off that bend, and then a 90 degree coming here, and I'm only a couple centimeters off. So I just gotta bend that a little more, and then she's done. So I went under the heater core hose. I went under the brake line, and I made a little extra so it has a little bend, and then it's gonna go in right here. And of course on my last tube nut, the thing won't come out. It won't pop out. Alright guys, so that's the end of day 3. I mean, yesterday didn't really count. I was leveling this place, which turned out really good, but we have the copper lines on, got the wastegates on, and then I know it's this one that's making noise. You can hear it right here. Turbo blanket's kind of on. We're going to put it up on ramps. I'm going to get the downpipe in, go for a test drive hopefully tomorrow. I went and got these aluminized plug wire sheaths. They protect up to 2000 Fahrenheit. So I'm going to put them over the copper wire and see if it kind of protects it a little bit. These things are pretty heavy duty. They feel pretty nice. So, well, I do have the extra copper, so I think I'm going to redo this line as well, so they're all kind of updated. Okay, I started off first here with a 90, and then I continued like to kind of shape it. And I just followed it all the way down and then just hand bent this side. I really hope it's gonna fit. Alright, I got both lines on. One's protected here, one's protected there. I'm just gonna put a stainless steel strap over it. I definitely have enough left for this one, so I'm going to replace this one so it matches all the rest. Okay, got the last one done here and bent up. I think that's just going to work fine. So it's hooked in, comes up through, over this hose, it's clamped in, 90, 90, straight in. So I do have a little bit left. There's one more line to do, but I'm going to save it just in case any of these lines don't work and I can come in and redo it. Everything is done. I'm going to go wrap the downpipe and then it's ready to go in. Oh, I forgot gloves. I'm just trying not to touch this as much as I can. This stuff is actually so fucked. Alright, I cannot wait to throw this in. This is all done, it's all really tight. I'm going to put another clamp down in the center here on the other side of the O2 sensor. I think that'd be good. I just looked at these and freaked out and thought I forgot the gaskets, but these are for the runners. Oh, come on. Oh, so close. I'm really hoping I'd never have to take this off again, because that was a pain in the ass. Okay, this is the last bolt. There we go. So my turbo blanket did get messed up. For some reason it started ripping, but I've sorted it out with Funk Motorsports. They're sending me a new one. They're going to send me the inside out one, so both sides are protected. And we'll see how that one works. But I'll report back to that, because this thing gets so hot, I think it just destroyed the lip. So we're going to find out in a couple weeks when it gets here. Alright, so I'm going to just check over my work, make sure everything's tight, check my fluids, put my tools away, and then we can start this thing up. Still there, obviously I gotta replace that, but that wastegate. after a little test run, it doesn't run that bad, but it's kind of ticking, but there's no really effect on the performance. Gotta say thank you guys for tuning into this video. Next video is going to be a dyno tune on the 8th, I think, if I don't have one before then, but we have a car meet tomorrow. That's why I was trying to get this done so fast. If you guys enjoyed what you saw today, or if you like the content at all, please subscribe. Let's try to get this channel to 200 subs by the end of the week. If you're from Instagram, thank you guys so much. We're almost at 50K, which is absolutely insane. Can't thank you guys enough. You're all legends. Next thing, I gotta find a Ultragate 38. That's a 38 mil wastegate to replace that one. I'm trying to find a hoist for the garage, so you can see I flattened it out. But yeah, leave a comment if you guys would have done anything different. Let me know. Just write a comment there. I take ideas. I take them into consideration. So if you would have done anything different, let me know. Appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you guys in the next.